guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I've got an adorable little package from Etsy, and I can't wait to show you what's inside this. Now, truth be told, I actually have several packages sitting here in front of me, so there's going to be a few more videos coming over the next couple of days. I actually had family from out of state come and visit, and because of that, all of the packages that I received during that time just kind of piled up. So I have been very excited to get into these things and haven't yet gotten a chance to do that. All right. First, I've got this sweet little note from her. She says, "Thanks so much for your order." And she put a little sticker on it, which is really cute. It says, "Thank you for helping my small business grow." And this is from Sewing Delights Fabric on Etsy. So I will link her down below. Oh, she's got this little tissue paper, and it makes it so sweet when you go to open it up. And this is a perfect fit for this box. All right, move that off to the side. Now, I'm not sure how old this fabric line is, but when I saw it, the colors in it were just so beautiful. And she wraps this up nice, so it is not going to get damaged if it ends up getting wet or something, which is greatly appreciated. I'm sure all of you guys appreciate that too when you order fabric. And the name of this bundle is Petal Song. I don't see the designer's name on this, but it's from Riley Blake. And look at those colors. All right, I'm going to open this up so that we can see what each of these beautiful fabrics look like, because they are really something. And just color palette alone is going to make a gorgeous quilt, but the fabrics themselves are really beautiful too. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? All the different flowers. And we've got these beautiful oranges and peaches. I believe that it's oranges and peaches. Very cute. Oh, and then we've got kind of a modern looking floral spray, I think is what you would consider this. There we go. That's more accurate to color. And oh, that's pretty. So I'm not sure how well it shows on camera, but each of these little flowers has just this extra layer of outline around it, and it's really pretty. It's just like a highlighting around the flowers. Maybe you can see it on these roses up here. Very pretty. Oh, I love it. Oh, we've got more peaches, and those oranges are looking almost like a different type of fruit now. They almost look a little bit like plums, but I think they're still, I do think they're oranges. It's just a different colorway. And this is so beautiful. I love this. Oh, and these almost look like little fireflies, like mixed in between some vining plants. I love that. Ooh, and then we're getting into some mauve colors. The mauve colorway of things. Very pretty. Ooh, I don't think we've seen this one yet. Very fun. Oh, and we haven't seen this either. It's almost like a thatch, but I don't know. It's got a little bit of a twist to it. Ooh, I love this version, this colorway of this print. So pretty. I feel like this would go really well for maybe that bunny quilt that that bunny quilt pattern that I just had recently in my Fat Quarter Shop unboxing. I think that would go along really well with this. But I need greens for the trees. That is cool. Or maybe I could use this to make up those the flower blocks of the month that came in the So Sampler boxes. I bet this would look really beautiful for that too. Oh, and there's some yellows. Oh, I love it in the yellow. How fun is this? It's a very soft, buttery yellow. And now we're into orange. So there's only 2 yellows. If you're not big into yellows, then it shouldn't be overwhelming in this bundle. This is kind of more like a very soft apricot kind of color. And again, not that much in oranges either. This is the last one. So it's mostly pink, mauve, and I don't know, what do you call that? Cranberry maybe? And then just a little bit of highlighting with a couple of butter yellows and apricot. I think that is just a beautiful assortment of colors. What do you think? All right, so again, this was from the Etsy shop, Sewing Delights Fabric. So I will link her down below. Check her out. She's got some really beautiful fabrics and really good pricing on it. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Please remember to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again later. Bye.